Good morning, good morning, good morning. Monday, March 30th, about 8:15. I am, what was that, about 1.2 miles in without Hershey. No dog today. Hershey's tired today. I walked him last night before he went to bed. Today when I came back from the gym this morning, he didn't come out. So I quietly snuck out the back door, let him and Jill sleep in. And I took advantage of not having Hershey, and I'm walking to the river. It's a little too far for him. Our usual walk, he and I go around the pond, as you've seen in other videos. That's about 1.25 miles, 1.3 all in, which is enough for him. He likes to come this way, but it's too much, and he's exhausted when he's done, so I needed some peace, clear my head. Nothing quite does that like a walk in the woods. As my friend Linda says, woods bathing. Probably can't hear it, but I'm getting close enough to hear the river. It's usually a little bit over 1.3 miles in. Lots of bird activity this morning. Tons of crows near our house. Very noisy. Something must have been trying to get at their eggs. That or they're just bitching at me. I don't think I've done a video of this section of the trail yet. It's nice this time of year to walk because we don't have the spider webs all over. When summer comes, it's brutal. It's like one spider web after the other. I usually walk with a stick in front of me. But like I said before, every time I come out here, the woods are different. They're forever changing. Little turnaround spot for the cars. I think I mentioned in the other video on the backside of the trail is, backside of the trail is this section here is all gravel road. And this is where we are down here at the river. And this is where we started up at my house. And I'll probably, when I'm done, head back, come up this trailhead, and then take the road back up. Change of view, see what's happening in the hood. My neighbor says he's been up here with a rake and found pieces of plates, pottery. Catawba Indians used to live here. Pretty good spot if you think about it. You're up a little high away from the water, but close to it. Lots of animals around here. I may have to dust off a video of the deer in the river and post that, because that was pretty amazing. Not much sun this morning, not much heat. Usually if you got sun, all these rocks have turtles on top. Water's flowing pretty high. Oh, nothing like the sound of that water. And the smell down here. All right, family and friends, make it a great day. See ya.